Hello, today I'm going to show you how to reset the side windows of your Mercedes-Benz C180 Sedan. Okay, close all doors, turn the key to position 1 or 2 in the ignition lock, and then as you can see on the left side there are some levers. On, on the upper side, this is for the drivers, and on the right side the windows, and the down parts are the rear windows. And how to reset it now? Pull the corresponding switch on the door control panel until the side windows is completely closed. Hold the switch for an additional second and then do the same again. Now use it up and straight down, and now it is resetted, and you're going to have fun again with this automatically closing and opening windows. Good job, easy going. Now press and hold, and then job's done. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and see you next time. Soon.